Chloe. Chloe. Look at the phone. Look at the phone before you were born. What the heck is that? It's a Vader. This is my cat Chloe. She's a nice. She likes to get pet. No Vader. And this is my smelly butt cat, Vader. He's the most meanest. Kind of cute though. Yeah. I don't see how this is gonna work. I'm gonna add this on YouTube though. Okay guys, soon I'm gonna make more cat videos like this. But first, just watch Chloe and Vader do what they're doing. Ah, crap, it zoomed in. Stranded cat on an island filled with fatness. Vader, you're so pretty and ugly and mean. Pretty but mean. Beautiful but mean. Stop mooning us all. Okay. Hope y'all enjoyed that midget song. I'm sorry. I can't make good songs at all. Guys. I want you to know, guys. The Chloe's with you. The cat is with you.